Defending champions Frazsiers Whip turned back Cavalier 2-1 to stay unbeaten in the Jamaica Women's Premier League on Saturday. Chanel Walters fired Frazsiers Whip in front in the 13th minute. It was then 2-0 in the 27th minute as Davia Richards scored a screamer. Cavalier harbored hopes of a comeback when Tatiana Polak pulled one back in the 59th minute. However, it only proved to be a consolation.
The aim was to start high, to start on a positive note, and we did that in the first half. At the latter part of the game, I think that's where it caught us a little bit, but eventually we pulled off the win, and I'm happy for that.
No, I think my team started flat. We had some issues. Personnel out on cards. My striker, she got a red card last week, and my starting goalkeeper got a red card last week also. So I know that we had to start the game strong, but unfortunately we started weak, and hence we can't see 2 goals.
Elsewhere, Arnett Gardens FC blanked Wi-Fi United 3-0. Shakira Douglas opened the scoring for Arnett in the 18th minute. Brianna Crosby, with a 53rd minute strike, and Amoy McKenzie in minute 81, closed out the win for Arnett.
We wanted to pin down Wi-Fi. We know they are a very good defensive team and they counter-attack very well with the 3 players up front. So what we wanted to do is keep them in their half. We wanted to stay at the width, so we tried to use our width as much as possible to keep them shivering across. However, we got 1 goal in the first half and 2 in the second, which we can't complain. We got a lot of look-ins and we have a lot of missing pieces not playing today due to circumstances.
In other games, Mile Gully recorded the widest margin of victory on the day, blanking Federal United 4-0. You were 3-0 winners over Springers, while Los Perfectos clipped Proven 1-0. Daniel McLeod, TVJ Sports.
The Jamaica Women's Premier League primetime.